Online forensic data collection. The basis for successful incident response is the IR artifacts or forensic data collection. Forensic data collection can be divided into online collections and offline collections. Let's first look at online collections. Online data collection refers to data collection while the system is powered on. The objects to be collected are volatile data that disappears when the power is off, high-value memory dumps, and inactive primary data that do not take a long time to collect. During network monitoring, if a malicious traffic is triggered from a particular host, the best tool to explain this is online data collected right before the host is powered off. Active data consists of data that disappears when the system is powered off, such as network information, process information, and user logon information. Physical memory makes the entire RAM area into a file, and the data enables terminated process tracing, hidden process tracing, and exploits tracing. Inactive primary data is data that does not disappear when the power is off, but can be collected together during the online collection process to maximize the efficiency of the initial analysis. Lastly, network packets are collected only if the attacker or malicious code in the current system is determined to be a real-time attack. Active data is usually collected by using a default script installed on the system to minimize the impact on the system subject to collection. Because GUI tools use a lot of space in memory compared to the CLI tools, CLI is primarily used to minimize the impact. When collecting using the CLI and script, typically, command line command is used, but commands of a compromised system can be used by the attacker, so a self-prepared commands are used to guarantee security. Some researchers insist that order of volatility must be considered when collecting active data. Order of volatility is classified based on the volatility, and it is claimed that high volatile needs to be collected first. However, each of the data in the order of volatility changes within seconds, therefore, it is more important to respond quickly to the attacked system rather than considering the order of volatility. In this lecture, volatile data collection sequence based on RFC and NIST guide is used. In this lecture, volatile data collection sequence based on RFC and NIST guide is used. Inactive data collection is essential when collecting online data. Inactive data can be extracted after power off and after forensic imaging work, but it takes a long time to analyze inactive data after an accident if the storage medium capacity is large. Therefore, during storage medium imaging time, inactive primary data obtained from online data collection is analyzed to increase the efficiency of the analysis. By analyzing the storage medium image with the perspective gained from inactive key data analysis, you can quickly identify the cause of the accident. Inactive data collected during online collection includes file system metadata, file system log, event log, registry, prefetch, and others. Primary inactive data is locked by the operating system, making it difficult to copy using typical method. Therefore, there is a need for technology to solve this problem. The good news is that most forensic collection tools provide a locked file collection function. In this lecture, we will use in-house developed lock bypass collection tool for copy. Online data collection used in this lecture is collected in the following order. It is correct to collect more volatile active data first, but the volatile collection is mostly done by CLI commands, which change some of the inactive data, so it is better to collect the changed non-volatile data first. The tools you will practice in this lecture will also first collect some inactive data with this perspective. There are a variety of online collection tools, but the tool we will introduce here is a CLI representative tool, bitlive_win.bat and GUI representative tool triedge/IR. bitlive_win.bat and GUI representative tool triage-IR. bitlive_win.bat tool, a self-built tool that you can easily change to suit your needs with the understanding of the BAT file. Let's look at the information collected by bitlive_win.bat file. Network information stores the output of the CLI command as a file as shown. It uses Windows commands as a basis but lacks gatherable information and uses a variety of three-party commands. Typically, the command with the /text switch on the collection command is provided by Nersoft. Process information is also used together with Windows commands and three-party commands. Command with Exceptuella switch is provided by SYS internals. Data collected from each command will be discussed in detail during practice session. Following is the command used to collect logon user information and system information. Following commands are used to collect network interface card information and password information. Many applications encrypt and store the user's ID and password using the DPAPI API. This encrypted password can be easily acquired in plain text when logged on. Following are commands for miscellaneous information and physical memory dumps. Following commands are used for non-volatile data collection, most of which use the CLI tool named 4copy_handy, which is upgrade of 4copy command. Commands used in each collection and collection result, precautions to be taken in collection will be discussed in detail during practice session.